Sheriff's office!
There's an older kid back there too.
I asked one of the neighbors. They said they didn't really see you, but if you're always going to work, what time do you work?
I got 2 jobs.
You got 3? That looks like it's cleaning supplies, right? And they can die from that. It's poisonous. Do you live in that house? Are you sure? That answers my question.
Officers respond after children are found alone in a neighbor's house, with no parent answering the door.
Are you the one that called? Yeah. Okay, give us a second. We'll come back out and talk to you.
To make sure they're okay.
Yep.
Hey, buddy. Where's your daddy at?
Hi! Hi! Sheriff's office!
There's an older kid back there too.
Sheriff's office! Hi!
Hello.
Hi, guys!
Hello.
You know, your kids said they couldn't wake you up.
Sorry.
Come on, let's go out here. We're going to talk to you.
Alright.
I got them. They're fine. Go talk to my partner. What's up, guys? High five. High five.
I want my dad here.
Yeah?
Are you taking my dad in jail?
No, we're not going to do that.
Hey, you want to go outside? We can go outside. That's fine. We can go outside.
Yeah.
Have you been drinking? Have you taken any drugs or anything?
No,
you were just taking a nap? Or?
Yeah, we're just taking a nap, waiting for my little sister.
Okay. So are those your kids?
No, they're my brother and my...
Those are your brothers?
Yeah.
And your sister?
No, my nephews and nephews.
Nephews? Okay. Is there only 3? How many is
It's
there?
just them.
Just 3? Okay. Hi, buddy. You okay?
They're your nephews?
Yeah.
These 2 little ones, yeah.
Hello.
My sister's at work.
Where's she work at?
Well, no, I forgot the name of the work, but it's a bottle company.
Is it around here anywhere?
No, it's in Milford.
Okay. When does she get home? Like what time? It's about 4:45 right now.
Well, she usually gets here at 6:05, but like she has a second work.
Okay. Right. Well, they said they couldn't wake you up, so that's a little bit concerning.
No, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Do you guys need to check him or anything? He woke right up when we went in.
Yeah,
So. Alright. Well, thank you.
No needs from us. So.
No, do you think you need to be checked out or
No,
anything?
I'm so sorry.
You were just tired?
Yeah, I was just tired.
Okay.
How long do you think you were asleep?
Just 2.
No, that's a while, yeah.
That's a long sleep.
Do you work at all?
No.
Okay. Do you just stay up late
Yeah,
or
I
what's
was
going
just
on?
up late.
Okay, alright.
Okay, 9 and 08 Ford Focus. Thank you.
Does your sister have a boyfriend or anything that lives here? Or is it just you two?
Just us 2.
Okay. Where does their dad live?
He lives in North Side. I don't know where my little sister's at. Oh, she said she was taking the bus late.
So there's a 4th one?
Yeah.
But is she at school or where does she go to school?
It's
And
it's 6,
Hamilton or Ross?
6 kids? There's 6 people living here?
6, yeah.
Do we ID him yet?
Oh, I got his name.
Do you have an Ohio ID?
no,
Do you have a passport? You don't have a passport?
No.
Where are you from?
Guatemala.
You don't have no passport or no nothing like that?
No.
No identification from Guatemala?
I give her my name.
You don't have anything with your picture on it from Guatemala?
Like a little card?
No.
Watch him for a second. Actually, let me see the name. Is that the name of the birth? How old are you?
I'm 18.
18 years old? Okay. And
You're sick.
how long have you been in the United States?
How old is your other sister?
Nora 5'8".
Have you ever filed for a visa?
I don't know. Not
Okay.
exactly.
Yes, ma'am. Everything looks okay. Which house do you live at?
His sister usually is there every day to pick him up.
She's not there.
Yeah, she
Yeah.
wasn't there.
Yeah, that's the weird part. The house
then
is a
said
mess, huh?
He said Dad was there, but he was sleeping. I guess
Yeah,
that's who
he
he
was
was.
passed out in the back.
Okay.
So I'm gonna just do. I'm gonna reach out to Children's Services real
Yeah.
quick. The house is kind of a mess.
That's.
You said, is there like another adult?
I've only seen the boy that's here like
that's it?
once. I don't see him often, but I only ever see sister.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I've never seen dad. I've never seen mom.
Okay.
So, yeah, it really when he opened that door and there was 2 other little babies,
Yeah.
and then how the house looked, I was
Absolutely.
like, oh, no, I had
All right.
6, and that just pulls at the heartstrings.
Oh no, I get it.
All right.
Do you go to school?
My mom too. Yeah,
You do?
I go to school.
Have you guys eaten today?
No.
You haven't eaten anything?
I went to school and I eat something.
You ate something at school?
Yeah.
Do you know if your little sister ate anything today?
No.
Where's your little sister at?
No, she's coming right in from school.
Where?
I don't know. She just called me.
She's supposed to be here at 3, ain't she?
But they said I had a problem. They have a problem with the bus. I don't know. She's coming in. She's coming with a friend's mom.
Who else is here besides you and your sister and these kids?
Us.
Just that's it? So, which one's your kid?
None of them.
None of them are your kid?
No.
Whose kid is this?
My sister's.
Your old sister?
Yeah, older sister.
Another sister?
Yeah.
Not the one that's coming
No.
here?
No.
Where's that
That's my
parent at?
sister.
She's working.
Where does she live?
That's my sister.
Here.
Here at this house?
She's working. Hi, this is Deputy Hoyle. What happened? We got a call saying that a neighbor was talking to one of your kids, and he said that he couldn't wake up his dad, so we had to come make sure he was okay. How long until you get here?
Almost 45 minutes. I work at Neighbour.
Okay, so are you 45 minutes away right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm in trouble or something.
We're trying to figure out what's going on here.
Hello.
Hi.
All right, I just need to talk to you. Okay. Your mom to a friend, I take it?
Yes,
Okay.
I am mom to a friend.
All right.
You call me if you need anything, okay?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your name, ma'am?
Hi, my name's Carly.
Carly? Okay. Can we speak to her real quick and I can talk to you, okay? Thank you. She's not in trouble or anything like that.
Okay.
So here's the problem. Do you know where her parents are at?
No.
Have you ever seen her parents?
No.
Okay, that's the problem. There's probably 6 kids in the house,
Yes.
right? One who's 18 who has, none of them are his kids, who's the older brother,
Yes.
and no parent.
Well, there's an older sister too.
She's nowhere to be found.
The Matters isn't anywhere to be found. Well, she's at work.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So we're
I
here.
say, like, I've seen
We are
Alvarez
here.
before.
We are here for a reason. We are here because we got called here because one of the kids walked out of the house and said they can't wake up their uncle or their dad, and the living conditions are not very ideal.
Okay.
So here's the thing: is even if she wants to call you to come pick her back up, I have to get that okayed by Children's Services.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm a foster parent.
That
No,
part I understand.
I just wanted you to know that, like, if
Yeah,
she needs
like so if
somewhere
do
to
you have a
stay.
contact number or anything? Your older sister should be here. Is she the one that takes care of all you guys?
Yes.
Okay, where's your actual parents at?
My mom passed away
I'm sorry to hear that. How long ago did she pass?
4 years now.
4 years ago? Yeah. So who actually has guardianship over you guys?
My sister.
Is it legal through the courts?
Yes.
Okay. No dad, I take it?
He doesn't live here.
Okay. So your sister's the one that has guardianship over all you guys? Alright. Okay. And I take it you also take good care of your little nieces and nephew when everyone's gone? Yeah. Okay. Alright. Well, I gotta talk to my partner. He's just calling me on the phone. I have my other partner inside, which I gotta go talk to her, okay? Well, your sister is here. Your little sister. Okay? Do you want to go talk to her? She's kind of really upset.
Oh. You care if I sit here with you? Okay. What's going on? You can look at me. It's okay. You don't have to be embarrassed or anything. What are you so upset about? No. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that happened to you. Yeah. I know it's probably a really hard time without your mom.
Let's go look real quick. I'll be right back. So are you the one that's responsible for them when your sister's gone? You are the one that's supposed to be taken care of when the sister's gone? So you know that you got to keep the doors and stuff locked, right? Yeah? You do know that? Okay. Hi. What's your name? Okay. Well, do you know why we're here?
No.
You don't know why we're here?
I work.
Okay, where do you work at?
Milford?
Milford? Okay, so it took you a minute to get here.
Yeah.
All right, I figure you're probably speeding a little bit, huh?
Yeah.
So we got called here because your little brother nobody, your little sister was not here to get him off the bus. So it's another person, one of the neighbors took him down, okay? When they took him down, they said, hey, where's your sister at? Goes inside, your two little kids come out and say, we can't get dad up. Is that dad or is that brother?
That's brother.
They call him dad?
Yeah, because my mom is away.
You're all right. Take your time.
So tomorrow is my little brother's birthday. My mama passed away 4 years ago.
Okay.
This month.
Okay,
The 22nd of this month, my mama passed 4 years ago.
Okay, so one of your brothers have already died.
My mom.
Your mom. Tomorrow's your mom's.
No, tomorrow it's my little brother's birthday. He's
Okay.
about 7 years old.
Okay. Sorry, I'm tracking now. I apologize.
That's alright. That's
Okay.
perfect, alright. So the thing I do is work. 'Cause
Right.
I got my 2 kids. Well, after my mama passed away, my dad is in Guatemala, and I have to take the responsibility of everything.
So you're the one who's taking on responsibility of the kids.
Yeah, the only
Now,
thing
are you legally by
I work
law?
here. Yeah, over here.
Hold on. Are you legally their guardian?
Yeah.
Your sister and your little brother?
Yes.
Through the court system.
I mean, I'm not.
Through the court system, are you legally their guardian?
Over here in the United States, no.
Okay. But in Guatemala,
yeah.
yes.
Yes.
Okay. When your mom passed, did she pass here or did she pass in Guatemala?
She passed away over here.
She passed away over here.
Yes.
Okay. Do you live in that house? Are you sure? That answers my question. So you don't live in that home?
Yes, I live in the house.
Are you sure?
Yeah, you can ask the
So you do live in a neighbor. Okay. I asked one of the neighbors. They said they didn't really see you, but if you're always going to work, I get it.
Yeah.
What time do you work?
I got 2 jobs.
You got 3?
2.
2?
Yeah.
Okay. You're a very busy lady.
I know.
Okay.
The first job I got 6:30
Okay.
to 5, and the
Okay.
other job 6 to 11. The middle of the night. I get off at 10 over there, but I get over here at 11.
That makes sense. That's why you're never home.
Yeah.
You're gone from morning to night.
Yeah, but I'm here Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
My daughter and my son, her dad taking care about them. He live in Cincinnati.
So he comes up and takes care of them, or does he take them back down
They
to Cincinnati?
To Cincinnati. Yeah.
Do you stay with dad in Cincinnati too?
No.
No? So-
when I work, he take them over there.
So on the day, so then why weren't they with him today?
Yeah, and weekends, like
Just on the weekends?
Yeah.
So when on the weekends they go with him, and on the weekdays they stay here
Yes.
alone with your
Yeah.
older brother,
Yeah.
and that is it.
Yeah.
Okay. There's no food in the house.
I know.
I mean, I see some like food that you guys order in, but there's no food in the home.
I know this ran out yesterday.
There's no. I didn't see any clean clothes.
I know.
Okay. There's no nothing like that. You understand that, right?
Yeah, I know. I did it with them.
Okay.
With my older brother. I was like, help me, because I work a lot and I pay all the bills by myself.
And it's a lot.
And I know.
And that's a lot. So I do have a couple questions for you, and actually this other deputy's probably going to have a couple more questions for you. Do you have an ID?
Not valid.
Is it not with you? Do you have a passport? Is it in your car? Can you go get it for me, please? Thank you. Oh, you got a United States passport.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, so you're born here. Okay. So you were born here.
Yeah.
All right. Your little brother, your brother was not.
My brother and my sister's not born.
Okay, so they were born in Guatemala.
Yeah.
Okay. Come see your kids, and then we're gonna have a conversation. Okay. I'm gonna ask you: do you stay here every night? You do not stay anywhere else. Are you sure? Okay. Where do these two stay at? Do they stay in your room? Where does little man stay at? With your brother. And then your sister has her own room. Okay. How often do you do laundry? I mean, the washer and dryer in there looks like they haven't been used in a while.
Yeah, I was using every day.
They were being used every day, but they're not being used now. Okay. And how long ago was that?
Every day.
So where's the clean clothes?
In my closet.
Okay. In your closet?
Yeah, in my closet and in the little bucket we got over there.
Okay. What's this?
And I told him to clean them.
I'm so sorry. I can't hear you.
I said the mess is what they do.
I mean, kids are kids, right?
I know, and I know it's the
Kids are kids. However, that looks like it's cleaning supplies, right? And they can die from that. It's poisonous, right? And what's up with all the air fresheners?
I got it from work.
Okay, all right. But again, you know that those are dangerous around kids, right? So you got to be a little cautious, and especially if your brother's not watching them, right? Because it's his job now to take care of them when you're not home, right? Because he's 18, right? You're 18, right? Can I have a conversation with you outside, please?
Yeah.
What was your question?
You guys take it off the kids.
Well, here's what's happening.
He doesn't need a canine. He just needs
Here's what's happening.
at least one more.
We got a detective coming out here. So what's going to happen is your brother's going to get criminally charged, and you're going to get charged for child endangering because of the condition of the home.
That's right.
Okay. We have to notify Children's Services. All right.
Okay, I'll list up whatever my kids.
I have to get that cleared by Children's Services. Okay. I just cannot say yes. Children's Services has to agree to it. All right. Okay. That is where we're at right now. I am trying to give you some respect, give you some time with your kids. Okay. I'm not. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Okay. Look, I'm not saying that you're a bad mom or anything along those lines. Okay. You're a very busy mom, right? You work 2 jobs and you're not only taking care of yourself, you're trying to take care of your kids, you're trying to take care of your little sister and your brother, and you're trying to take care of your big brother. You have a lot that you're trying to deal with right now in life, and I get that. And
I'm just gonna get my kid's father
a call.
I mean, if he can take both of them.
I need his name. Does he have a social security number or anything like that? I need all that. I have to run a background check on him, and I have to notify Children's Services because they're going to have to be the ones to say, yes, they can go with Dad. All right. You are going to have to go with me down to the sheriff's office. Your brother is going to have to go with us down to the sheriff's office. There's nothing we can do about that. I want you to understand that, okay?
So, we're going to jail.
Huh? You and your brother are going to go to jail. Yes. I am going to give you a little time with your kids. Okay? Now, Children's Services will be in contact with you once you get out. I want you to understand that, okay? To try to work with you about potentially how to work with you to get your kids back. Okay? Do you understand? All right. I can't give you any form of advice, okay? But what I can tell you, all right, your biggest priorities is you need to figure out a new, better situation, right? For you and your family. And there is help. There is assistance. There is so many other options out there to help you guys out. There really is. Trust me, believe me, there are so many other opportunities we can try to help you out, okay? I'm going to let you go in there and with your kids for a minute, okay? And then actually real quick.
Can you give you his social security number?
Yes, please. I need that. Okay, I'll let you go in real quick, okay? Hey, look at me. Spend time with your kids. Don't do anything stupid. Okay? All right? Okay. I'll get it to you.
I can upload it. Or you can just come on down to the edge. It's not like you
Go ahead, have a seat, and then I'll buckle you in, all right?
All right.
Okay.
I forgot my phone.
And you
like your hat.
you guys get to have a party with her, okay?
I forgot my gun.
We're gonna go for ice cream.
So good. Look both ways.
I forgot my gun.
You forgot your gun? The green gun?
You want me to go
You wanna go back and get
you want me
it?
to go get it for him?
Yeah, if you would do that, he's gonna get the gun for you.